Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Jericho Cruz, and Coach Leo Austria of San Miguel. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, tatlong sunod-sunod na panalo, hindi naging madali itong mga panalo na ito. Pero ano yung pinakamalaking factor or impact dito sa mga panalo na ito na you wish or you wanna see in Game 5 as you try to close out the series and win the championship?
I think the biggest impact is our first game. It fuels our grit. And then you can see naman from the player na talagang on their eyes, makikita mo yung fire. They want to win. And we have a bad start at the first quarter, but the bench step up and then they provided a lot of energy that very infectious to their teammate, and then were able to tie the game and get the lead. And from there, so yung energy and intensity namin, naging aggressive sila. And then nakita nila na the chances is still there, although a very slow start. So yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanila before, the killer instinct. When it comes to end game, so you should not give up. And then that's what happened. And then we keep on reacting on what they are trying to do against us. There are so many combinations na ginawa sila, but the players reminded by the coaching staff na what to do. And that's what happened. And if you notice, okay, this is the first time we shoot a lot from the 3 points area. I think 11, 13 out of 24. Never na nagiging double figures yun. I think that's one of the key. Although we're out-rebounded and turnover points, mataas pa rin sa kanila, but I mean, second chance points. But I think the players don't want to lose the game.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Jericho, nabanggit na ni Coach Leo about that Game 1 loss. To you personally, how did that light the fire in you? Because every time you come inside the court, iba rin talaga yung the way you play.
Yun nga, una-una, sayang yung pagkatalo namin. Kasi akala namin na we have a chance to win the game. Ayun nga lang, natulad ng minus ng points namin, natalo kami. Pero tapos na yun move on na kami doon. Katulad ng mga sinasabi nila Coach, nila Bostal, pagpasok namin, paglaro namin, talagang put that in your head na every game parang it's your last game. Kaya ako, specifically sinasabi na ako ni Bostal na laro mo yung laro mo, kaya mo na yung mga tao mong nagsasabi na ganito ganyan ka, kasi ganyan ka maglaro Let it be, laro mo yung laro mo, yun lang yung sinabi sa akin. Or gano'n yung sinasabi sa akin, Bostal.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the press.
Jericho, congratulations. Jericho, three-pointers ng fourth quarter. Very crucial, last 8 minutes yun. How big was that considering you're also playing well in this final series?
Well, yun nga, katulad ng mga sinabi ko before, man step up lang ang ginagawa ko kung bakit yung nilaro or hindi masyadong maganda nilaro ng first group, dito kami ni Don to step up sa second group. So yun lang yung ginagawa namin, binibigyan din namin ng motivation kasi pag maganda laro namin, pagpasok nila mas lalong gaganda laro nila So yun, pero gusto ko rin thank you kay Coach dahil sa tiwala niya binibigay sa akin. Hanggang ngayon meron pa rin.
Of course.
Tagal na yung kasama ni Coach.
Pagka wala na yun, wala ka na rin.
Mabakasyon na kayo, uwi na akong buwan niya. So ayun,
Coach, gusto ko ba nagdag about Jericho?
Jericho Cruz, well, I know him since college. Alam ko yung kanyang tapang, alam ko yung strength, alam ko yung weaknesses niya. And then makikita nyo the right time, the right place, nag-step up siya. And kilala rin niya ako paano ako mag-coach. Ganyan. And then, I'm so happy I have a good relationship with the players, especially from college. And before kasi he's not supposed to be in the PBA. He wants to go back to USA after college. He wants his father to be enlisted in the US Navy. But I told him na you have a potential to be a good PBA player, and that's what happened. And from there, everything's history na niya yun.
Secret lang natin yun.
Secret.
Secret lang natin yun.
Oo.
Coach, yung lumamang TNT, doon nag-shuffle ka na lineup, si Chris Ross this time did play in the fourth quarter, but ibang mga role players mo na apart from Cruz, deliver pa din despite yung comeback ng TNT.
Yeah, that's that's my grit na how to decide ako sino play. But I'm so happy with those players dahil confident ako sa kanila because in practice they keep on striving hard to get the opportunity. And if you notice in the last quarter, we don't have a natural point guard. And I know Jericho can handle the ball, and Perez also can handle the ball, as well as Don Trojano. Because I'm just reacting to the move of our opponent. Dahil nag-big lineup sila. Actually, 4 big sila Si Kumbontin, si Roser, at saka si Eram, and then si Octana. Ayun, averaging 6'5" in height. But buti na, hindi nila tinake advantage and it happens na yung mga maliliit namin, yung energy nila, yun ang nag-provide a lot of hustle and points dahil makikita mo, yung turnover points namin medyo umakyat naging 22. At the start kami marami turnover But only one thing ang gusto kong i-appreciate sa kanila everybody wants to win and talaga nakafocus sila Naandun yung sense of urgency. But we don't have to be complacent with the 3-1 score is not safe because it happens a lot of times.
Coach, ano sabi mo sa depensa niyo kasi nung first half na limit niyo si Tana, hindi nakascore. Yung shooting nila hindi gaano ang click Ano lang yung nasabi sa depensa?
If you notice, Tokyo is shooting a lot from the 3-point area. Actually, yung first 2 games nila, more than 50% ang kanilang tira sa labas So we have to extend our defense from the perimeter because they know their big mans at the post minimal lang yun yung impact maybe because that's the philosophy of the coach Every coach man have the different philosophy. But they are successful in that But this is a championship game, so everybody have their own adjustment And I think our adjustment nag-click para sa kanila.
Coach, marami ng injury ang TNT Tingin mo ba advantage to sa inyo heading into game 5?
Yeah, this is a championship game. Those injured players, nakita naman natin we thought na Eram will not play because of the degree of nangyari sa kanyang sprain but he's here playing I think mahaba pa rin yung kanyang nilaro but and then some of the players as in Siso and then players under injury but that's part of the game and you can never know what will happen so may injury sila o wala they keep on fighting hard and nakita naman natin until the last 8 minutes din lang kami humabol
Coach, may nakikita ko ba ang kulang sa team mo kasi halos parang kahit adversity na overcome yun sa series. Meron po bang kulang para sa'yo?
Yeah, I think yan yung yan ang nakikita na marami na sabi nila kompleto kami team. There's a lot of improvement for our team. That's the thinking of the management and the coaching staff. We have to keep on improving. So we cannot settle for this performance, but we have to excel in some department because that's how we compete. You keep on learning every day.
Alright, if there are no more questions, that is it for our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen. See you in Game 5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's